All right. So today we are going to know more about a tool which is called as FOMO. So FOMO is fear of missing out, which most of the people who are using it on their landing pages and making sure that the business turns up in a right way, people get excited. Like what you're seeing on the left hand side is FOMO, which is coming up and says that these people have purchased your product or your service, whatever you're trying to sell it. So on your landing page or on your site also, you can put it up like this, and it will keep coming up as a part of you know the plugin. Okay, so this is one of the feature which it has. Second, it has something like this as a menu. So I have integrated this as a menu because I've seen when we are making cart flow as our main landing page, or a main site, it becomes very difficult because there's no menu on top. Okay, and customers may or your students may get misguided, wherein there is nothing in terms of sign in or dashboard or home also. Yeah, if you are making your homepage as the LMS part, it will show you all those menus. But when you directly create a landing page and make it as a homepage like this, the menu tab may not be seen. So in that case, what we can do is this kind of pop-up can be shown to your students, and as soon as they click on any of the part, they will be able to redirect to that particular page, so that they are not being misguided, or they are not able to go in any other page or so. So in case they come into, I'll show you. I'll just log off, and I'll show you what happens when a student comes in a landing page like this. Okay, so as they come into a landing page, they are not able to see any of the menu on the top. They just see a landing page, and this makes more detailed way of showing people that this is one single page on your platform. We are not showing multiple things. They are very focused on it. But for them to have a navigator, this is what the navigator can help. Like in case they want to sign in case they want to go to their dashboard or to the homepage, also they can navigate it in this way. So this becomes I've created it as a small menu wherein they can click and they can sign in, because if people are buying via your landing page, again, they're going back on your website, they are not seeing any menu like this. Okay, now this menu comes in as a part of the LMS. It is not as a part of the landing page. So this is when they come to this particular page, they will be able to guide it. So for that, you have a simple navigator like this. This again comes with the plugin only. And then this is the bar wherein you can create a bar like this, which can create scarcity with timer. You can give them action wherein once they click on a particular action, they are redirected to your sales page. So all these things happens with the FOMO tool, which I'll be showing and providing you. It's a pretty simple tool. This tool makes a lot of sense. It stops particular action. Like if you see on this particular page, I'm not showing that pop-up coming up for the sale. Again, it's your call what all strategy you want to use it on your website. But the tool works pretty well, and here the scarcity is going on for sales. Again, the menu is also there. I'll show you inside the platform what how this tool is. It's a pretty simple tool. If you guys want, I'll install it for you. Apart from that, I'm working on a shorten link tool also, which will be helping you to shorten your long links into a short detailed way. So you can use that particular tool also to shorten your long links. Now this is the tool which I'm talking about. This tool has a very simple process. You can create by clicking on add new, and when you click on add new, you will be able to create conversation, notification bar, and floating button also, whatever option you want. And there is one more thing as a review. I've not added review because I don't have, but Kiran sir, as you have joined in, I have seen you have a lot of reviews on your website, and if you want to show your reviews in similar pattern to excite your students, you can use that option also. So if you click on add new, it is a very easy way to do it. You just need to name the process. Like you can name whatever you want, doesn't matter. Now here it says I would like to display conversion notification, or you can take notification bar or review notification or floating buttons. Okay. Now, if you're taking conversion notification, we are integrating it with WooCommerce because there where most of our payments are coming in. You can always use a detail like new register user, or you can do a manual entry, or you can upload a CSV file also, CSV file. But my suggestion to you guys is keep it as a WooCommerce, and you can, once you do your sale, we don't want to fake it, but yeah, we want an actual figure which is moving on your website to be shown. So keep WooCommerce so that the real figures are going in. But yeah, in case you want to push some data in, you can do it manually also, or you can take CSV file also and make it work accordingly. Now, there are page analytics. This also makes a lot of sense because here what it does is it randomly shows your users that how many people are there on your website. So from 100 to 300, it will take it and show your users whether there are these many people on your website, which again creates excitement in your student or new people who are coming on your site for the first time. They come to know that at this point of time, there are so many people watching your site. Okay, so it is a figure from 100 to 300, which will be shown. Title comes, people are currently viewing this page. So it's an excitement for people when they are watching it. They also understand these many people are available on your site, and they would be trusting you and taking an action. Again, the other part is conversion analytics, wherein you can show a custom conversion saying that from 100 to 300, whatever numbers comes up. Now the system automatically picks up a random number and shows it that these many conversions has happened in last 24 hours. Now this, if you want it custom, you can, or you can pick up a realistic figure from WooCommerce also and show. But as a newbie, I would suggest go with custom because we really want to hype up ourselves and show our students also that yes, there are traffic on the website, there are conversions which are happening on the website, and these are the people who have purchased your course or registered on your webinar or purchased your ebook or so, which can be created, a hype can be created in the similar format. Now here, when you click on next, you would be able to go to a next tab wherein you need to put up the content. Now, content is purchased, the a person who have his name comes up here from the name tag. You can write whatever content you want over here, but yeah, purchase is the default, content which is written. You can put anything you want. Title, a course or your product title would be coming up, and the time maybe within 2 hours before or 1 week before, that kind of time comes up over here. You can add various variables also, city, state, country, and maybe if you want, you can take these tags and put it up accordingly. You can showcase a specific product. Again, these thing comes from your product list, which is we are creating over here in products. So whatever product you have created, you'll see all the product list coming up over here. And from here, accordingly, you can choose which product you want to display on such kind of for more action which is coming up. So say, for example, this is my product on the landing page. I will take it up and, it will show add up over here. You can take multiple products also. So it is not something wherein only one product can be, data can be shared. You can take multiple product data also and show it accordingly. Now, after this, there are categories. Now, in case you are working on a particular category, like if you might have seen in product, we already have category. In case you have, it's fine. If you don't have, it's all right. Just leave it blank. Nothing to be worried on the category part. Okay. Now, in case anyone is clicking on a page like that, sorry, when they click on a FOMO and try to take any action. So, what link you want, you can always redirect them to a particular link uh, of your FOMO. So say, for example, it will come up. It has a timer. I'll show you the timer also. Say, for example, this has come up, and if anyone clicks on this, so this is the call to action which is going on, and that link you need to put up over here. So this is the area wherein you're putting up the link. It could be a product page, it could be a custom URL. Say, for example, we are creating a, a landing page on Cartflow. You can always copy that link and put it up over here. If you are someone who already have product pages and you want to put that product page, you can choose the product and that page will be displayed directly over there. You can choose any one of them. Okay, and accordingly, you can create a link to your landing page. So I'll just go next. Okay. Now the third part is display, how you want it to be displayed. It will display a product image in the notification when available. Okay, you can display images also, enable image gravatar. Now this is where if you keep it as default, it will always show you something like this. You know, people's photograph will be coming up because if they have created their avatar anywhere, you know, and most of them. But if it is not there, you can put your logo or your product logo, which can be displayed on that particular area. Okay, I will suggest you to keep it default because there are a lot of people who want to see who bought it and such kind of thing. Otherwise, it looks dummy and fake also. So in this way, at least people know there are somebody who really has picked up that particular product and their details are coming up like this. So this photograph is the student or client photograph, which has been picked up from the GFTR. So a default image can be added up. You can force display image also, like in case there is any other image, you can directly force your image to be shown rather than no other image of a particular client. Visibility, where to show? Show everywhere. We have option show on selected page, like you can select a particular page if you want. Now there are not specific pages which are coming in, so it takes a kind of general thing like a front page, block page, all pages, or uh, custom post type kind of. So you can choose what page you want. So first, front page is where majorly everyone wants it to be seen. You can show it in that way. You can also choose on which particular landing page. A custom landing page also can be taken care. So you can post it over there. Now there are a few, in case you have a targeted URL, you can also put that URL over there. Display always logged in user or logout user whom you want it to be shown. Visitor type, new visitor, returning visitors only. So these things also can be choose. Like if you are giving an offer to new visitors only, you can choose this and keep it up. If the same visitor is coming back again, that offer will not be seen. Now, all this thing happens with the help of the IP. For example, I visit your landing page and I am excited to buy your product, but at that period of time, I see offer and other things pretty much well. You have given a coupon code on the bar, like just very similar like this. And, you say 50% discount with a particular coupon. Next time when I come, like I miss out this opportunity, next time I come, this will not be shown on this site. Why? Because that's how we are targeting only new visitor, and returning visitors may not be seen kind of. So only new visitor will be seen. If you choose this for the first time visit only, it will be shown. Next time if he comes back, you will never see this offer again on your page. So this kind of strategies also can be used via this particular tool. Now if you click on next, you will be able to see where you want to position this. You can position it bottom left, bottom right, wherever you feel like. You can keep the close button, or you can remove that close button also, which comes up with the pop-up. You can hide it on mobile in case you want, otherwise it will be shown on mobile. Uh, Timing, again, you can keep it auto. I've kept this auto, but yeah, you can always change it in case you want. You can keep a delay of whatever time. After a particular time, the pop-up will come up and show. Okay, behavior also you can understand. Display the last 30 conversions only, not beyond that, and conversions only within the 7 days, not beyond that. You can always, or you can increase, decrease it as you want. Okay. And then in terms of design, you can choose whatever color the text should be, the background should be, as well as the link color should be. You can always resize it. You can create a different look and feel for it. Now, if you see, this is how the pop-up will be shown. Okay, just give me a moment. It is getting logged out. This is how the pop-up will be shown. You can also see 20 people are currently viewing this site. This is the traffic, which is again, as I told you, it will come up automatically, and 20 conversions in last 24 hours. These are three pop-ups which will be shown only because we have activated the features of this. So these are the features: the conversion analytics and the page analytics. Because of this, after a period of time, all three will display, alternatively it will show, and your user can find that, okay, there are people on your website, so that brings trust. These many people are purchased, that again shows there are people buying in, and these are the people's duration, like 1 week ago or 1 day ago or 2 day 2 hours kind of scenario will be shown. This is
These are
for the
random numbers, right?
sorry,
These are random numbers.
yeah, random numbers.
Okay, yeah.
But sir,
हाँ, वो आपका वो एक और आपने दिया था ना बोनस, तो इसका क्या सीन है, ये क्यों लेना है?
ये ये वूकॉमर्स के साथ चलता है, वो बोनस वूकॉमर्स के साथ नहीं चलता, वो इंस्टामोजो के साथ चलता है।
ओह, हाँ हाँ, ठीक है सर, बराबर है।
क्योंकि आजकल हम लोग सब we have integrated everything within the platform, so we are not trying to be dependent on any third party. Everything will be within the system itself. Okay. Now, WooCommerce, I understand everyone is a newbie and everyone may not have that kind of sales happening on WooCommerce. So in that case, what you could do is just check out for this plugin in your platform under marketing. If you see coupon and coupon generator, if you don't have this, connect with me, I'll install it for you. Now with coupon and coupon generator, what I generally have done is I've created couple of scenarios. Like I've given I've created a test coupon. This is just for testing purpose, wherein I can add or couple of or give couple of people 100% discount and add them into my course. Okay, so what I personally do is here, if so this is a particular person I want to give access, I can put up the actual detail and I can put up the actual detail of that particular person, and when it comes to coupon, I'll put up the coupon details, saying that, okay, I'll just a moment, I'll show you. So here I can put up a coupon detail. When I say put up a particular coupon detail, what would happen is this particular coupon will make it 0, and I can add this transaction into my WooCommerce. So once this transaction is going into my WooCommerce, the data will be shown over here. Sir,
yes sir.
Okay, so this way we are adding our own data, or we are say for 10 people you want to give free access, give it, their detail will be popped up over here, and it is going to be helping you because that's not fake anyway. The data is real, the people are inside your system, and I'm talking about new people. But those who already are doing sale, you don't need to do this strategy. You can always keep your sales going on, and the system will keep doing its job on its own. Okay, so this way, for that we need new email ID. Sir, give it bonus in your conduct a free webinar. Tell people that I can give some bonuses to you. An ebook also, if you give an ebook, you can still pull that data over here on your landing page and show that these people have purchased. If you,
Sir,
because
मैं कुछ बोलूं?
बोलो सर, बोलिए सर।
ये जो आपने बताया ना कि बोनस लास्ट में दे दो, this is a very good idea if you want to like do a follow up call with the people. I did this in my webinars. मैंने starting से ही लोगों को register करवाया Zoom में, and at the end whoever were there, I gave them a bonus course. So when people got the bonus course, I got the lead. I got their numbers. So now I know that who were there at the end and who left in between. So if you want to target the people in between, you can do that. If you want to target the people who were there till the end, you can do that.
So this way, see, I'll tell you, these strategies are being used by many people. Okay, no matter whether you are a newbie or you are experienced person, such strategies work out. Now, if you want data until and up to you are not making sale, see, that day I was reading a quote. Okay, uh, fake it until you make it. Okay, when I posted this quote, I suppose I had told this with Sahil only, and after that I realized, okay, such thing is required because there are a lot of people who are see, we may be good in our intention, we are not doing anything in fake, we are giving some returns, like you are at least giving a ebook to people and taking their data. There are people who fake everything on their platform, and still others are trusting them and going over there. So we can use these tools as per our strategy. Okay, as you want, conduct a webinar, give free ebook, at least 10 data will come, add this data into your system and show it in, saying that, okay, these people are there. Which template is it? Kiran sir, which
Yeah,
template are you asking?
ये लैंडिंग पेज का जो टेम्पलेट है ना,
सर ये बनाया मैंने.
नहीं नहीं, दैट इज ट्रू. तो किससे रेफरेंस बनाया हुआ है?
ओके,
मस्ट बी टेकन कार्ट फ्लो में से. कौन से?
हाँ, कार्ट फ्लो में वो भूलेंगे वो कुत्ते का टेम्पलेट है, देखिए.
अच्छा, वो वही है क्या?
हाँ, सो दैट एंड द हेल्थ टेम्पलेट हैज दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑप्शन. और ये ऑप्शन इसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये लास्ट टाइम मैं बता रहा था लैंडिंग पेज के सेशन में, बिकॉज दिस ऑटोमेटिकली कलेक्ट्स डेटा आल्सो एंड फॉलो अप भी शुरू हो जाता है.
नहीं,
तो
बट
ये वाला ऑप्शन है, ये वाला
ऑर्डर भी है
ऑप्शन
ना, वो
दोनों भी है सर उसी में, ये वाला भी है और ये वाला भी है.
ओके ओके
ओके, तो आप किसी को भी लेके एडिट कर दीजिए. मैंने सिर्फ ये फॉर्म के लिए लिया था उसको, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एडिटेड एवरीथिंग आउट.
ओके ओके,
ओके, सो वैसा कर सकते हैं सर. सेकंड option with the same tool is for your menu. Okay, menu also is pretty easy. It's nothing. Yeah, floating button. So this is for login. I just gave a name for login, and it's the same process. You just need to choose the menu part, and in the content, like you can choose the floating button option. Rest everything is same. Okay, you can go into the content, and here I have written this part. So this is the header area, which is where I have written login to dashboard kind of. So, or you can write menu over here and it will be replaced to menu. So you can always choose it as you want. And below that, the content area, what I've done is I've written text and I have put up the links to the text. So because of that, it gets hyperlinked. And whenever you're doing this option, make sure you are, you do this part wisely. Either if you want the link to be open on a new page, you can tick on this, or if you want it to be open on the same page, just keep it blank. Okay, don't do anything over here on this particular area. As people are there on my website, I don't want a new tab to be opened up, so I've kept the same link. You can decide how you want to, and this will be shown over here. Now, in case I was trying to do,
मनोज एक क्वेश्चन था. एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट का जो लॉगिन वाला जो है ना, ये बहुत कंफ्यूजन में है, क्योंकि एक तो उनको जो है सिर्फ जो लिंक जाता है वहां पे, वो कभी कभी लिंक जाता है, कभी कभी नहीं जाता है, एक. और जो सेकेंड बार जाना चाहे, ओके, वो जब तक जो है ना उनके पास ऑलरेडी काफी सारे मेल्स वगैरह हो जाता है, तो इसलिए मैं उनको क्या करता हूँ कि स्लैश डैशबोर्ड वाला, ओके, soandso.com/dashboard, okay, go to this link, then go to the enrolled course, then from enrolled course select the course, go to start lesson.
इतना कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, इतना कुछ जरूरत
क्या
नहीं
करना
है.
चाहिए फिर? क्या
ये डैशबोर्ड का लिंक अगर आप देते हैं ना, वो स्टूडेंट अपना लॉगिन डालेगा और उसको ऑटोमेटिकली उसका कोर्स मिल जाएगा.
नहीं ना, वही कैसे होगा? क्योंकि बिकॉज इफ दे हैव बीन असाइन्ड टू मल्टीपल कोर्सेज, देन दे विल हैव टू
सर, डैशबोर्ड पे जा रहे हैं, डैशबोर्ड के अंदर आप आपके कोर्स दिखा रहे हो.
एग्जैक्टली, वेयर enrolled courses में, let's say I have 10 courses, okay, and I am enrolling on a weekly basis one course, ठीक है. तो एक कोर्स है जो नेक्स्ट वीक पे चलता भी है, ठीक है ना. so let's say they are assigned with the 3 courses, ठीक है. तो 3 कोर्स के लिए जो है ना, उसको पहले तो enrolled courses में जाना पड़ेगा, बरोबर है. वहां पे enrolled courses में जाके जो वो सीखना चाहता है, मतलब स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, और उस कोर्स के ऊपर क्लिक करके देन ही हैज टू स्टार्ट लेसन.
हाँ
दैट इज अ प्रोसेस ओनली, राइट?
हाँ
ठीक है, क्योंकि 4-5 स्टेप्स है इसमें अगर देखा जाए तो.
सर, आपने कंप्लीट ऑटोमेशन किया नहीं है, पहली बात। सेकंड, आप लैंडिंग
इसमें
पेज पे
ऑटोमेशन का सवाल कहाँ पे आता है ना, सी
अगर आप
वन
ऑटोमेशन
वांट्स.
करते हैं,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
किरण सर, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज यू मिस आउट अ लॉट ऑफ सेशन, एंड
हाँ,
दैट्स व्हाई यू आर आस्किंग दिस। अभी इफ यू डू ऑटोमेशन, तो
हाँ,
ऑटोमेशन में एक सिनेरियो है जहां पे एज सुन एज द स्टूडेंट इज रजिस्टर्ड, ही
हाँ,
कैन बी पुश्ड इनटू अ पर्टिकुलर कोर्स डायरेक्टली। उसको जरूरत भी नहीं है डैशबोर्ड पे जाने की, आप ऑटोमेशन में ही लिंक डाल देते हो उसका। जैसे वो रजिस्टर करता है, वो डायरेक्ट डैशबोर्ड पे जाता है। मैं आपको करा के दिखा सकता हूँ यहाँ पे, देखिए। अभी मेरा जो सिनेरियो है, ये लैंडिंग पेज का है, और ये लैंडिंग पेज पे अगर मैं एक पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट ऐड करता हूँ, ओके, आप आपका ही दे दीजिए, आपको हैकेथॉन मिल जाएगा।
या किरण बी
ये
नंबर चेंज करो,
नहीं
9.
नहीं, ये जरूरत नहीं है, इसको मैंने ऑपरेशनल रख दिया। आपका
के
मेल
आई
आईडी क्या
डबल
है?
आर के
के
आई
आई
डबल आर
डबल आर के आई डबल आर
ओ डबल एन
ओ डबल एन
@gmail.com.
धर्मा फिल्म्स ज्यादा देखते हैं क्या सर?
हाँ. धर्मा पहले ही कर चुका हूँ मैं ये.
राइट, सो ये निकल गया यहाँ पे। अभी मैं, एक मिनट सर, ये गया नहीं है। इसको लॉग आउट कर देता हूँ। अभी देखो, कोई एक सिनेरियो जहां पे स्टूडेंट आता है, अपना डिटेल डालता है, ओके, इस लैंडिंग पेज पे, और पे करता है आपको। तो पे करने के बाद आप मेरे को 199 बाद में दे देना। पे करने के बाद जैसे वो प्लेस ऑर्डर करता है, अभी देखिए आगे सिनेरियो क्या होता है। नाउ दिस विल गो टू अ थैंक यू पेज विच इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय योर फेसबुक। ये जरूरी है। अब थैंक यू पेज के बाद यहाँ थोड़ी देर अगर रुकता है वो, तो उसका जो है रीडायरेक्शन शुरू हो जाता है, और ये पेज रीडायरेक्ट होके उसको कोर्स में भी लेके जाता है। बट मीनवाइल इफ यू चेक योर मेल आईडी, आपको मेल पे पूरा लिंक आया रहेगा।
Confirmed access to 5-day hackathon. You made access hackathon now.
एक्चुअली जाता भी है, कभी नहीं जाता। कैसे क्या?
पर मैंने अभी ना एक 4-5 दिन पहले चेक किया था, मेरे सारे मेल इनबॉक्स में जा रहे हैं।
इनबॉक्स में जा रहे हैं, सबके जा रहे हैं सर।
ये नॉट फाउंड बोल के है.
नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा वॉल्यूम पे किया था मैंने।
ओके,
हाँ,
किरण
इनबॉक्स।
सर,
हाँ,
क्या नॉट
नॉट
फाउंड
फाउंड.
है?
आपका जो है ना, वो ऊपर वाला जो ये आ रहा है 0233010, उसके नीचे जो है ना, एक नॉट फाउंड बोल के एक ये आ रहा है, गो टू होम पेज. इट लुक्स लाइक नथिंग वाज फाउंड इन दिस लोकेशन, मे ट्राई
एक मिनट
सर्च.
सर, वो मैं टेस्ट करते हुए कुछ गड़बड़ किया रहेगा। ये वाला लॉगिन करने के बाद?
हाँ नहीं, वो लिंक क्लिक करने के बाद.
ये क्या आ गया ना सर?
मुझे ओपन होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, जो ईमेल पे लिंक गया वो वाला क्या?
हाँ, 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 हाँ.
ओके ओके, मैं वही बता रहा हूँ आपको। ये देखो, ये डायरेक्ट एक्सेस मिलता है उसको, सो ही डोंट नीड टू गो इनटू हिज डैशबोर्ड आल्सो। आप अगर वो लॉगिन जैसे करेंगे ना, वो डायरेक्ट कोर्स में चला जाएगा, जो भी कोर्स आप ऑटोमेशन में करते हो वो वाला। बट अगर ऑटोमेशन, दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड टू प्ले अराउंड ऑन दीज एरियाज फर्स्ट।
नहीं, क्या होता है मनोज, पता है क्या है? अपना जो है ना अल्टरनेट वीक पे वो ये हो रहा है, बराबर है, दिस थिंग 5 डे वाला क्लास. तो दैट रन्स फ्रॉम 7 to 9:30 10 o'clock. तो आपका मंडे होता है 8:30 को. तो अल्टरनेट वीक ऐसे मिस हो रहा है वो एक्चुअली. दैट इज द रीजन
सर
आई हैव सजेस्टेड दैट
मैं
हर एक
वीडियोस में
फीचर का जो है ना एक एक बना के रख दोगे तो
मैं वीडियोस भी डाल रहा हूँ सर। सर फीचर्स का क्या हो रहा है अभी आपको मैं क्या बताऊं, जो रिकॉर्डिंग करके रखा है उसके बाद 3 बार फीचर्स चेंज हुए हैं। मेरी तरफ से नहीं हुआ है, वो टूल्स की तरफ से हो रहे हैं। और किसी इसी पीरियड में अगर अपने कस्टमर्स भी ना दे आर अपडेट बाय मिस्टेक आल्सो, इफ दे अपडेट एनी ऑफ द टूल ना, तो उनका नए फीचर्स को उनको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ रहा है।
नहीं तो
लाइक फॉर
बोलो ना
एग्जांपल
उनको कि
अभी
वो
अभी
टेक में परमिशन
मैं
दो
आपको
अपडेट
सिंपल
बोल
एग्जांपल बताता हूँ। साहिल, योर ऑटोमेशन इज गोइंग ऑन राइट?
Yes, yes. सब चल
Okay.
रहा है.
Now, tell me, have you seen this kind of thing in your automation? मैं अभी सिर्फ आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये वाला मेरे पास जो है ये नया वाला है। और अभी जितने भी नए कस्टमर आ रहे हैं ना उनको मैं ये नया ऑटोमेशन बता रहा हूँ, बिकॉज पुराना ऑटोमेशन का वो चला गया। रिकॉर्डिंग किया था इस तरीके से। साहिल, यू क्रिएट अ प्रोडक्ट राइट?
Yeah.
आफ्टर यू क्रिएट अ प्रोडक्ट, फ्लुएंट सीआरएम का टैग हमने यहाँ से कभी ऐड किया था क्या?
Never.
तो अभी ये यहाँ आ रहा है, देखो
हाँ.
ये पता है, ये फ्लुएंट सीआरएम का टैग यहाँ आ रहा है। यहाँ से टैग ऐड कर सकते हैं और रिमूव कर सकते हैं
अपन तो उसमें डालते थे ना, ऑटोमेटर में.
ऑटोमेशन में। हाँ, ये ऑटोमेटर में जाता था। तो मेरे बोलने का मतलब वही है किरण सर, कि कुछ भी बना दो ना आप, और कुछ पीरियड बाद निकल ही जाना है उसको, या देयर विल बी सम अपडेट्स व्हिच विल बी कमिंग अप एंड द प्रोसेस विल चेंज। ओके, सो आई विद न्यू कस्टमर्स आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग देम
और
इन दिस वे।
सेकेंडली जो एक रिकॉर्डिंग्स की बात कर रहे हैं ना अभी, लेट्स से यू आर टेकिंग ए सेशन, ओके, व्हिच रन्स फॉर ऑलमोस्ट लेट्स से 1 आवर 2 आवर जो भी है, ठीक है ना?
राइट।
तो उसमें आप पर्टिकुलर बता रहे हो, तो वहां पे क्या होता है, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस आल्सो, लॉट ऑफ दिस थिंग आल्सो दैट हैपेंस, ठीक है? बट आप इंडिविजुअली एक फीचर ये करते रहते हो ना, रिकॉर्डिंग करते रहते हो ना, वहां पे ऐसे कोई डिस्कशंस नहीं होता है, दिस इज हाउ दिस नीड्स टू बी डन। ओके,
सर
तो
वही
वो
बता रहा
जो
हूँ मैं।
1
अगर
घंटे का जो
वन
है
टू
ना प्रोबेबली
मैं
5
अगर
मिनट्स में हो जाएगा, 10 मिनट्स
नहीं
में हो
नहीं,
जाएगा।
मैं वही बता रहा हूँ। मैं अगर वो 1 to 1 भी करूंगा ना हर एक चीज का, तो उसमें इशू ये आने वाला है, इफ देयर इज अ प्रोसेस चेंज एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी चेंज। एटलीस्ट इन हैकाथॉन वी आर टेकिंग क्वेरीज, वी आर रिजॉल्विंग क्वेरीज एज पर योर बिजनेस प्रोसेस। जैसे अभी आपने एक आपका प्रोसेस बताया, मैंने उसका आपको ऑल्टरनेटिव बताया कि यू कैन डू ऑटोमेशन एंड टेक केयर ऑफ दिस करंट सिनेरियो वेयर यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग। बिकॉज आप जो कर रहे हैं ना, आप बहुत पुराने पैटर्न पे कर रहे हो। आप मैन्युअली स्टूडेंट ऐड कर रहे हो, अभी कोई मैनुअल ऐड नहीं कर रहा, सारा ऑटोमेशन पे चल रहा है। ओके, एंड इन ऑटोमेशन आल्सो इफ आई ब्रिंग स्मॉल स्मॉल वीडियोस आल्सो इट विल बी टू मच। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ये सारे टूल्स के आपको वीडियोस दिखाता हूँ। मैं आपको सीआरएम का पूरा वीडियो भेजता हूँ, आप इसको देख लीजिए और इसके थ्रू करके दिखा दीजिए। दे आर मेड स्मॉल स्मॉल वीडियोस। खुद को करना पड़ता है सर, बहुत सारी चीजें अपने को खुद को करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज आवर स्ट्रेटेजी, आवर प्रोसेस इज वेरी डिफरेंट देन व्हाट दीस गाइज हैव आल्सो डन in their tool. And I'll tell you what, Sahil has been a very active person, Arnil sir has been a very active person. They might have gone on YouTube and searched for this tool and seen videos also. There are many of our members who have tried, but जितना वो लोग बताते हैं और जहाँ ये प्रोसेस चलता है, इसमें बहुत गैप निकलता है। Okay, so most of the thing I seriously can't cover up all those gap, and because scenarios अलग है लोगों के, strategies अलग है, business process अलग है, according to that I need to guide them. And Monday sessions I do that because it helps everyone to understand what strategy people are using in. अभी जैसे साहिल बताया कि ई बुक बेच के वो डेटा कलेक्ट कर रहा है, इट मे साउंड टू सिली, ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये तो कोई भी कर सकता है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू रियल टाइम ना करने के लिए विथ योर स्ट्रैटेजी एंड योर प्रोसेस, इट टेक्स काफी टाइम निकल जाता है उसमें। वो बंदे ने ऑलमोस्ट 3 महीना चुप बैठा था। साहिल, am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
3 months he was silent, only working on the process, and then he said, "Okay,
मैं वही
I'll
बोल
go
रहा हूँ,
for it."
सी इन केस एक प्रोसेस करने के लिए अगर आप जस्ट इमेजिन बीइंग सो मच ऑफ एक्टिव पर्सन, इफ ही इज टेकिंग 3 months, then there is something which is lagging in our processes, right? Can it not be made general? अभी देखो मुझे बिलीव मी, मैं ड्रिफ्ट
मैं
फंक्शन भी करना चाहता हूँ ना, तो मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है ड्रिफ्ट फंक्शन।
सर, आपने ड्रिप फंक्शन के लिए जूम पहले किया है इंटीग्रेट?
देखो जूम का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वहां पे, फिर भी वहां पे नहीं हो रहा है एक्चुअली वो।
सर
नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, सी इट इज ओन जनरलिस्टिक कैन बी मेड, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल। सी व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, ठीक है? यहाँ पे आप स्पेसिफिक टू लोगों को अपने अपने इसके हिसाब से समझा रहे हो, ओके, दिस कैन बी कंटिन्यूड। बट जनरलिस्टिक जो फीचर जो होता है, जो मेन फीचर चाहे तो आप एक 50 फीचर्स करो, probably you must be having some 300 फीचर्स, उसमें से आप 50 भी करोगे, उसमें से आप 20 भी करोगे, तो मच आपका एफर्ट्स भी बहुत कम हो जाएगा, और हमें भी जो है ना बहुत इजी हो जाएगा कि भैया यहाँ पे ऐसे करना है, और लेट देम अप्लाई देयर ओन स्ट्रेटजीज.
Sir, I'll tell you what. Um, I don't know how to put it across, but there are so
क्या
many
मैं
tools.
समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ? आई डोंट
नहीं
अंडरस्टैंड.
इतने सारे टूल्स है.
अगर
Maybe
समझ लो आपके पास 10 स्टूडेंट्स है, अगर 2 ही लोग कर पा रहे हैं, तो देन देयर इज स्टिल अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? कि वी आर नॉट एबल टू सॉर्ट आउट द प्रॉब्लम फॉर 8
So
people.
bring your problem. That's what I said. Monday sessions come up, bring your problem. Now you said with your drift, I can resolve it immediately. You show me where it is. Otherwise, there are other things which I'm taking care of on a one-to-one sessions also. जिसके लिए मैं सपोर्ट दे रहा हूँ. मैं AMC भी शुरू कर चुका हूँ उसके लिए. So if you have an
Manoj,
issue, connect with
you
me.
are
And
absolutely not doing wrong. What I'm trying to say is, additionally, if फीचर्स के 5-5 मिनट के भी एक वीडियोस अगर बन जाते हैं,
सर मैं आपको YouTube में इन सब के वीडियोस देता हूँ. YouTube में है सर, मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ अभी के अभी. You'll find a lot of people who have done that. I can share it rather than. But again, when I'll tell you what, these things will be helping you till a limit. When you think about integrating your strategy, it won't help you anyway. Okay, it will give you a basic feature. अभी अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा ना Fluent CRM का भी, और ये बताएंगे Fluent CRM is a CRM. You can go to
that's
contact.
what I'm saying.
You can go to contact, tag बना सकते हैं, list बना सकते हैं, segment बना सकते हैं. ये segment का तो मेरे को अभी तक नहीं पता क्या है. And I'm not joking. I'm serious about it. Segments क्या है ये मेरे को भी नहीं पता. मेरे को इस पे workout करना पड़ेगा. And if I show you their community also don't have much info. Okay. जितना हम लोगों को समझ सके हम लोग उस पे से हम लोग इसको इंटीग्रेट करके चला रहे. Okay, now this is cost effective, and if you're talking about any tool, आप इसी का मतलब.
No, I'm not talking about that. It's absolutely cost effective because
every
हर
tool.
एक का,
नहीं मेरे बोलने
that
का
is no
मतलब है
doubt
किरण
about it,
सर,
Manoj.
every
That is no
tool
doubt.
you buy it also, you buy any expensive tool also, you have to learn it and you have to implement it. There's nothing, and जितना मैं देता हूँ उतना तो कोई बैठता भी नहीं है सिस्टम पे बताने को.
That's the reason. Can we reduce your efforts also by doing that? Or is that possible?
I'll
Or
try,
possible?
sir, or else what I'll do is I'll try, or I'll take their videos and I'll create a course for you. So if you want, these videos are already there. See, so many people are talking about it. You can at least understand the basic information about the tool. Okay, and wherever
But
you require.
Manoj, but the way we trust you, or we can trust you, no, we have to go to each and everything here and have to see that.
सर क्या बोलूं.
नहीं, मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि मैं आपको कैसे बताऊं.
सर आ जाओ. आप AMC ले लो सर, मैं आपको
take,
सपोर्ट करता हूँ.
कैसे होता है? Every tool you take, कोई
if
भी
you
tool
have,
ले लो
see,
आपको,
I do have solution. You take AMC, I'll make your whole process ready for you. अगर आपको भी नहीं जमता ना, there are people who have done it. I'll give it to them. They will help you out. No worries on those areas.
अरे I have to take an AMC. I will have to take from you only.
वैसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ किरण सर, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. There are people who can also help you. मेरे पास इतना ये देखो अभी ये आपने जो बनाया कोर्स, मैं उसी में जाके देखता हूँ इशू क्या है, एक बार देखने दो. ड्रिप कंटेंट एनेबल ही नहीं है.
वो दूसरा वाला कोर्स में आपको अलग अलग मिलेंगे एक्चुअली. इसमें तो एक ही
वीडियो डाला है क्या?
हाँ, इसमें
एक मिनट मैं आपको बता देता हूँ.
हाँ.
ड्रिप कंटेंट कैसे नहीं चलता देखते हैं. Your query is with drip content, so I'm
नहीं,
trying
मैं
to
कैसे नहीं चलता हूँ बोला नहीं है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे नहीं आता है.
नहीं मैं वही
मैं
बता रहा हूँ आपको. I'll help you out. Just give me a moment. I'll help you out with drip content. एक बार आप इसको ना हैकेथॉन देख लीजिए सर, आपको ये सब समझ में आ जाएगा. I think you might. अभी तो आपको वो एक्सेस दिया है मैंने. You watch the hackathon. It is all there. See, it is coming up. How is it not coming? It is coming up.
That's what I did not say. How it is not coming. I'm again saying I do not know how to do it.
Yeah, so watch the hackathon. You learn it and you implement it. It's step by step. I have guided in the hackathon. If you find any issue over there, you can reach me also. I'm not saying don't reach me. Okay.
अच्छा,
but at least
क्या किया मुझे पता नहीं क्या हुआ. अभी क्या किया?
किस पे?
अभी ये
नहीं, मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ।
check
ये
कर
क्या,
रहा हूँ,
मैंने
okay.
कुछ नहीं किया सर।
Okay, okay,
ये यहाँ पे ड्रिप कंटेंट लिखा है, मैंने इसको सिर्फ टिक किया। ये
okay.
डेट बेस्ड है, उसको क्लिक किया। ओके, और यहाँ पे अगर आप जाएंगे आपके कोर्स में, वॉट एवर वीडियोज यू हैव अपलोडेड, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट, यू विल फाइंड दैट ड्रिप कंटेंट का ऑप्शन कमिंग अप। आपको सिर्फ डे डालना है। नेक्स्ट सेकंड वीडियो है, सेकंड डे खुलना चाहिए।
डे
अपडेट
में,
कीजिए,
okay.
हाँ अपडेट कीजिए उसको।
हाँ.
और यहाँ पे अगर जाते हैं आपके कोर्स में, तो यू वुड बी एबल टू सी द सेकंड वीडियो। ओके,
Second day of what?
ऑफ दियर एनरोलमेंट, ये वाला अभी आपको, बिकॉज यू आर इनटू एडमिन एडमिन आप एक काम कीजिए, ये वाला कोर्स नहीं क्या, नए ईमेल आईडी से एक्सेस करके देखिए। आपको सेकंड वीडियो दिखेगा नहीं, वो डेट बताएगा कि आज आपने रजिस्टर किया है, ये वीडियो आपको कल खुलेगा। लाइक इफ यू गो इनटू माय हैकाथॉन, you will see this option. You won't see all the videos coming up immediately. You will see one video coming up. ठीक है सर, आप हैकाथॉन देख लीजिए, आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा, क्लियर आइडिया आएगा मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ, स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझ में आएगा। है आपके इसमें, मैं सिर्फ चेक कर रहा था आपने एक्टिवेट किया है नहीं किया, आपने
तो जो
करके रखा
मैं
हुआ है।
आज मैं आपको ये पूछने वाला था, जो रिव्यू अगर मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ उन लोगों को, which tab I need to give it to them? अगर डैशबोर्ड को कोर्सेज वाला अगर दूंगा तो उनको दिखेगा?
हाँ, कोर्सेज का दिखेगा ना सर, आप वैसे ही कर रहे हो, आप वही प्रोसेस पे कर रहे हो ना।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, .com/courses अगर मैं ये अगर उनको देता हूँ, ठीक है, तो कैन दे एबल टू सी द ये व्हाट इज दैट रिव्यूज फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर कोर्सेस?
हाँ सर, क्यों नहीं दिखेगा, वहाँ स्टार रेटिंग आता है ना सर। ये क्या है? 5
हाँ, तो
5।
कहाँ कैसे when they click it they'll see that?
So once they go on the landing page, they will be able to see all your
No,
reviews.
why landing page? Here itself, if I give this, when they click it, can they able to see that?
सर यहाँ कैसे दिखेगा, आपको लैंडिंग पेज पे जाना ही पड़ेगा ना, रिव्यूज वहीं पे है। So if they want to see the review of this particular course, they have to come over here and read it, right?
तो कोर्सेज देने के बाद यहाँ पे दिखता है वो?
हाँ,
because see, landing page is different, course is यहाँ पे you know.
सर मैं इस आगे की चीजों को मैं गाइड कर देता हूँ।
ठीक,
ओके, आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना वो है उसमें, यहाँ पे देखिए सारे स्टार्स दिख रहे हैं। आपके जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स ने दिया हुआ रहेगा रिव्यूज, 9 students have given 5
so
star.
once they click on this, they'll be
Once they click, they will be able to go on the particular course and they will be able to see your rating. And if you want to sell it from here, they are going to buy it from here. Because I feel you are selling it like this only, right? Or you are selling it the different way?
No, I'm not selling this way actually.
Okay, so if you want to give it like this also,
बंडल पैकेज दे देता हूँ उनको, ओके, सो दैट यू नो, और बाद में एक्सेस देता हूँ हर एक, जैसे आपने बोला ना मैनुअली ये करता हूँ।
सर उतना नहीं करना, आप पहले एक बार हैकाथॉन देख लीजिए, आपको ऑटोमेशन का आइडिया आ जाएगा पूरा।
ओके, ठीक है सर, ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
नो वरीज सर, नो वरीज। ये आगे का जो है रिव्यू का भी देख लीजिए सर, ये काम आएगा आपको। सॉरी, okay. So in the same tool of WP Formify, you will be able to add reviews also. So for reviews, you can again choose option like review, and you can take WooCommerce as an option or a particular course as an option. So for example, review notification. So here anyone who has, now you can add your Google reviews also. If you have your Google page and over there people are reviewing you, you can take that. You can take WooCommerce reviews also. You can take WordPress reviews also. So whatever you want, you can choose it up, and accordingly you can show the reviews. Now here, what all things are being shown you can show that. Maximum how much rating you want to show, 5 rating, you can show that. Link notification, if you have anything, you can show that particular link, a custom link, you can put it up. So if they click on that particular area, they can go and you know uh, check or they can buy your product also from there. Again, few similar options are there. Just follow the flow and you will be able to showcase the review part also. You can check the preview from here, saying how it is being seen. Say, for example, this particular person has reviewed, and here your course name or the product name will come and their rating will come. You can put up a logo, product logo also, and showcase. Now, this will also run as a pop-up, wherever you want. So you can keep all the pop-ups open. Alternatively, all the options can be shown, and your student will get that kind of feeling. Okay, there are people reviewing you also, they're buying you also. There are a lot of people who are visiting your website, as well as there are a lot of conversions which are happening on your website. All these things can be done with this tool. If you guys really are interested in this, I would suggest, please share your your site detail, your login and your password also on WhatsApp again to me. I'll install it maybe today or tomorrow, and you'll get this part ready for you. If you guys are not having the coupon part also, do let me know that you don't have the coupon and the coupon generator. Just go into your dashboard and check it out under marketing. If you don't have, let me know. I'll install this also for you. Okay. Now, the second and the most important thing I wanted to discuss with you guys is we are see, because the plans which I have given to every one of you is basically this plan, and this plan costs a lot because of the tools, the plugins, and hello.
Go ahead, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sorry. So this plan has 100 GB hosting space. Now, because of this, there are a lot of confusion happening around the plan pricing. I'm not able to price it rightly. There are people who are expecting the same platform under a particular certain amount, because they have seen me selling the old academy also at say 9,999, and that kind of scenario has come up. I am looking out to increase my sales also. Now, with Hostinger, there are a few things which are coming in. Hostinger is also providing a 30 GB hosting space, but again has limitation where wherein there won't be any domain name, as well as the security part won't be there, or there are a few things with your Cloudflare also which won't be there. Okay, so these things are if get reduced, I don't mind giving more and more to people who come and join my community also. But this can help me reduce some part of it, and give an option of upgrade to the newcomers. So if they are able to exhaust their 30 GB, they can always upgrade it from Hostinger and increase the plan as per their need comes up. But at least they will be able to test the water, and we can reduce the price. So what do you think? Should I go for something like that and give it at a lower price, or should I keep it at the same price? What is that?
Manoj sir, can I speak?
Yes, yes, sir.
I see. I'll tell you is from now on you should only think of increasing the price and adding more value. Once you have set up the price, going below it is going to devalue your own platform.
Okay.
So my recommendation is keep the price same if you want, or increase it, but give more value. Make it irresistible. That's all.
See, because we do have a lot of things. I don't know how many people have seen what all things are coming in with this particular platform.
Huh.
Everyone feels it is just an LMS platform. It is not. We
Yeah.
do have, landing page sales funnel. We do have CRM. Apart from that, we do have forms. Now, for all these things, people are paying huge outside. Okay, we are integrating payment gateways for everyone, and apart from that. There are few more which I have not even published. Inside, if you see the plugins area only, there are loads and loads of things which are been put up. So all these things are adding value, but showcasing it, I just showcase the four major parameters which people know it outside the the industry. Because if you see, automator again works a very major role in automation. I've never spoken about this anywhere. uh, I've never spoken about the forms also, wherein Fluent Forms, it again is integrated with as a part of CRM itself. Okay. Then we do have a lot of things in WooCommerce. We have cart abandon, which works pretty well with those who are missing out. The option wherein in case they come on your platform and they don't buy and they go, the follow-up mails are shooted up automatically. These people don't have this kind of options. I never speak it up. I've also added coupon and coupon generator thanks to Arnold sir. He gave me an idea, asking. Actually, he asked me saying that okay, he want coupon generator. Uh, Sure, sir. I'll add up the FOMO plugin also. So he gave me an idea of coupon generator, and I was able to test it and do. I'm providing this. It works pretty flawlessly on the platform. Uh, Second, strategy wise, whatever strategy you want, you can choose it. You may follow any of the coach, mentor, trainer you want, and as per their strategy, you want to implement this tool, you can always do that. But these are things which are there. So I thought maybe should I come back, because I do get a lot of people who ask. Arnold sir, affiliate plugin is not working. I in a testing phase, I screwed up my site twice because of the affiliate plugin. Uh, but I will be coming up with something solid for the affiliate part also. So just give me some time. On the affiliate part, I'll surely will be coming up, because if I have the affiliate tool also, I'll be surely giving it to you guys. Wherein if I make money, I want others also, those who are referring me, should also have some control on it. Uh, Again, I don't want to play around like others are doing. I want to keep it pretty straight with affiliate. Some percentage can be shared. If there is a price which is going high or low, I'll work it out accordingly. So I would be taking up your suggestion. I'll stick on to.
So one more thing I wanted to share now is that AMC what you have come out with, you should make that part of the package by having maybe level 1 and level 2. Say people going for level 2, they get automatically the AMC support from you. That is
Okay.
that I feel you should do, because then we people have a choice. Either they make their own systems on their own. I mean, they create their
Sir,
own.
on the own, people don't do that. That's what the problem
Yeah,
is.
so then let,
There,
let let them go to the level, the higher upgrades, it is called upgrade. Let them take a upgrade where your support comes in.
okay, I'll surely make such kind of plans and strategies.
Yeah.
So, see, because what I was thinking, if I give the platform 1 month, I'm gonna be supporting them for free, uh, helping them to integrate everything what is needed. But with the flow and the hunger of doing the business, people lack with time, and they feel I'm not able to give time to this particular platform. So, because of that, at times, again, their time is valuable, my time is also valuable. So, because there are feedback which came up, Arnold sir gave me feedback saying that, okay, you should work out on a support system, and I thought I'll make it up. Support is there already. I have worked on, few things in terms of support, uh, which is in case you guys want, I can help you, but this is a very heavy application. I uh, intend to avoid this giving up. Okay. There are few more things coming ahead, in terms of support also. So say tomorrow you want to do a one-to-one kind of thing, and you want to take appointment, or you want to create your own services, you can do that with the same platform. Only thing is the platform becomes too heavy. That is one concern, which really is worrying me. Or we can create subdomains and put these themes over there. We can always work it out for such options. But yeah, these things are gonna be there pretty soon. So support wise and appointment wise, I have already worked on. I'll be
Okay,
coming up
yeah.
with some
So,
solution. I'll be coming up.
so one I told you, one you give a base thing where you give a 1 month free support for them. Then second you do an AMC where you have level one, and then you have a level two where you do everything, and the person just has to, start his website. That's all.
Yeah, level 3 I can
Yes,
surely do that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like in foreign countries, they give you the entire website. You have to just go step one,
So I'll
step
tell you
two.
what, I was looking at a few of the guys who have been doing only landing page, nothing
Huh.
else.
Yeah.
Landing page and email automation. These guys are charging huge like bomb.
Yes,
Okay.
but sir,
Uh,
they are saving the time. No, people
yeah,
can make.
they are providing this service wherein they are charging almost around $3,000 for an
Huh.
account, only creating the same process what you guys have got it. So I'm not
Yes.
joking on this. They are again giving the same tools like Cartflow. They are giving tools like CRM, and the pricings are $3,000 uh, by installing it and giving it to their clients. I was surprised when I saw the figures
Huh.
and the amount what these guys are charging. And in a month, they have target of almost around 6 to 10 clients. That's what their basic target is, and they are focusing on that itself. I thought, even though we do have, I'm not able to place myself properly, so I thought I'll check out your suggestions how it can. So I
But
can
you
make
will
a.
have to, sir. You will have to have a team for that. You can't do everything
I
on your
do
own.
I do have a support team which
Uh,
I used to take their support
yeah.
in the past for installing an integration part and all.
Yeah.
So I do have interns who would be able to support. So that's not an issue for me.
Yeah.
But again, I wanted to understand how things can be placed. So it's a good
So,
idea. I can place it
yeah,
like
because
this.
I'll tell you, sir, what when they sell their platforms abroad, they are saying that system is old, where you go and you create the entire, because the coaches and trainers, they are not experts in all these things. So,
Right.
so they're saying let the experts do the work, you do the training. So what happens here in this system? We have to learn everything, sir, and
Right.
we have to do the training. It affects later. It affects our productivity.
True. True. True.
So that's why that is what
Now,
I.
but I'll tell you what, again, when it
Uh,
comes to, creating everything, if I do everything and give it to you also, putting up courses and other things also becomes too tedious for coaches. They don't even have an idea to put it on YouTube also. So that again I need to find out a way wherein I can create a process step by step in terms of only what things they should do and what things will be coming up from our end as a complete package. So I'll rectify that. I'll keep
yeah.
three packages open. One as
It's another thing, no? And that third package, you should keep done for you courses, so that these people also have courses in their LMS platform, and plus their own courses. Okay?
yeah, we can add.
Yeah,
See,
because I
I am not able to give the done for the courses from my end. I'll tell you why. The reason is,
yeah,
if I give you my YouTube channel link, it
yeah.
will be shown on your website and my branding. So that's the reason I ask people to download the courses, the PLR courses,
Yeah.
upload it up on your YouTube channel, and then put it up. Why? Because I seriously I don't want to showcase my branding on anyone's website, so I don't generally do that. Okay, but
No,
in
but
case someone's
sir, you
that lame,
can.
I
No,
can help
no.
them.
I'll tell you, sir. When we get done for you, because I bought done for you courses, they just give you the MP4 videos. That's all. With
Yeah, I need to give you the same. So you
yeah.
just
So
need to download it.
don't worry about that YouTube thing and all. Just give done for you. So you give say about 10 or 50 courses done for you, including PLR courses, and
Right.
let the person start, because if if the coach trainer starts from one course, then he'll have only one course in his platform. But if he has 50 already done for you and then his course, then it's sort of a respect for him when people join the platform.
Okay. So previously for the Academy Pro, we had these things activated because it was on a cloud server.
Huh.
So it was much easier for them. But yeah, if we can do it for them. We surely will be doing it as a part of the service.
Yeah, I'm just giving
So,
you my
yeah, it is,
perspective.
it is a very good idea. I do appreciate that,
Yeah.
and I'll take it positively, and I'll make sure that these things come up pretty soon in coming days. Maybe as the year ends, I really wanted to see how things can be benefited for most of the members as well as the upcoming trainers also. That's the reason a few tools are coming up as per the request. In case you guys are looking out for something, or if you feel it is missing in our platform, do let me know.
No,
I'll
another thing which is missing, sir. You have to come up with a membership platform also for you and for us also.
membership platform like.
Like, say for example, they access the courses are for 1 year, then they have to renew the membership, and like that also we also have to renew the membership.
It is there already as a part of your tool.
Okay,
So
but you I was
if
not aware, sir, about that.
okay, I'll show you. It is a part where you can make sure it is
Here,
already
pro
there.
paid membership
Yeah,
pro.
it is
Okay.
already there as a part of it. So what you could do is you can give a deadline also
Yes.
to your students saying that after this many days your
Yes.
course will get expired. So
Exactly.
that option is already there. If you
No,
check it
no.
out in your
Yeah,
LMS
yeah.
itself,
Yeah, that
you
is
will
there,
be able
sir.
to
That
find.
is in the system, but you have to, in your system, you have to create a membership for yourself so that you get recurring revenue also.
Revenue, annual membership. नहीं ठीक है sir,
Yeah,
I'll do that.
that's what I was suggesting.
So support part will be, as I told you, a support part will be going on AMC. So if anyone is looking out for that kind of recurring support, I
Yeah,
can always keep updating them on the same.
because we don't want you to tire out, sir, because you have to go ahead. So you need to, need to get the fuel also, to go ahead. So
Sure,
that's the
sir,
main
sure.
thing. That's
Thank you very much for thinking about it. I surely will be working on these areas in the coming few days,
I
and
hope you have
I'll.
taken notes, sir. And
I do have. This
yeah,
recording is there with us.
yeah, okay.
So I'll keep working on these areas, and I'll surely update you guys also on the
Yeah,
same. All right. No worries, guys. Thank you for joining me on a
yeah,
Monday evening. I
yeah.
really appreciate you guys coming. In case you like the tool, what I showed you right now, please update me and let me know you want it in your system. Share me your link, share me your user ID and password because I don't keep it with me in case you have changed it. I may require it for the installation purpose. All right.
Okay, Manoj, sir, 1 minute. That
Sure, sir.
Elementro Pro you were supposed to install in mine. Have you done that? Like,
I think I might have done it, but
okay,
let me check it out.
yeah, because I want to now get that going, that process.
No worries, no worries. I'll check it out. I'll update you. Give me
Yeah,
some time
update
on the
me.
same.
Yes.
ठीक है, sir.
Thank
All
you,
right.
sir. Good night.
Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great night. Take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye.